I was not able to understand what is happening with me, first thing. On your overthinking, it's not how you should feel. सो जाओ, कुछ दिनों में ठीक हो जाएगा.
That something is wrong with me, and probably I need. It can be that maybe I'll talk to someone, I'll be fine. But mostly people are saying you do this, you do that, you don't eat this, you don't do this, you talk to your parents, you don't talk to your parents. Like how in Three Idiots Rancho was.
Yes.
He was very passionate about studying.
How do you really accept that you are undergoing stress? Dedication and passion is something that has led them to where they are today. So I think passion is something you need to follow.
Hi everyone, my name is Vaidehi. Welcome back to another episode of Gupshup with Gurus. Let's talk about mental health like we talk about fitness, career and success. Let's get to know what is mental health, why is it important, what are the steps we can take. If you are feeling overwhelmed, stuck with different scenarios, feeling a lot of thoughts, this video is exactly for you. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's dive in. Today we have Ashwini ma'am, our chemistry faculty from Akarsh, and we are delighted to have her. So, hello ma'am, how are you?
Hello, how are you doing? I'm fine.
I'm also fine. Are you excited for today?
Yes, very excited.
So, let's start with a quick question. First question.
Sure.
According to you, what is mental health?
Mental health, as the name suggests, it's not as simple like a mental health. First of all, I think it's a taboo to speak about mental health in our country.
Yeah.
It's not a celebrated subject. It is something that people wean away from. Mental health for me is not just one part. I think mental health depends a lot on how you think, how you process things, how you really manage your stress, how do you come through it, and how do you really cope up with your own life, and the surrounding problems that you see. I think mental health is also not just mental health. A good physical health will trigger a good mental health, and vice versa.
Right.
I think so. For me, mental health is a very crucial part which we just ignore very easily. And as I said, it's a taboo in our country. We really don't speak about it very openly, very often. We just ignore it कि सो जाओ ठीक हो जाओगे. It's okay. हाँ पानी पियो, panic मत
कुछ नहीं
करो.
होता, कहीं नहीं जाना.
It's just part of life. It's okay. We can just get over this. But people really don't talk about it to the crux of it and just get solutions for those, I think. And mental health for me also is, I think, how do you really accept that you are undergoing stress, some kind of trauma, or some kind of I can say some sort of not being able to manage yourself and your emotions as well, and then how do you really cope up about it. So I think for me mental stress is somewhere on those lines.
Right. And you talked about taboo in India.
Sure.
So, what are the myths according to you about mental health?
Mental health, this itself, the word that I am not feeling well mentally, I am feeling depressed, I am slipping into depression, I am not able to take things as it is, I don't know how to find solutions.
Right.
These questions have no answers.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is completely a myth. Like I said, सो जाओ, कुछ दिनों में ठीक हो जाएगा. It's just a part of life. Move on. You're overthinking. It's not how you should feel. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है. Probably, these kind of things is something that people talk more on the myth side, I would say. And people really don't seek for solutions. People don't really acknowledge that, okay, you might be under stress. It's okay, we'll take one thing at a time and, go through it, see if we can get over something. Okay, I'll share my personal experience, how it helped me. I think this is something that is missing from the overall taboo part of calling it the mental health.
So, if I ask you personally,
yes,
how have you encountered your mental health situation? When was the first time you understood the importance of mental health? How did you understand it? Like, what happened exactly? Or how have you grown? How exactly mental health started from you, for you as you were a child right till right now?
I think the first thing that till 10th, I think I was quite okay.
Okay.
Managing myself, I was enjoying my life, I was enjoying my school period, and everything was okay. The big hit came just after my 10th. So I was given a challenge to complete my competitives, which was my entrance exam,
Yeah.
get into a college within a span of 2 years, which was really tough. A new environment, a very challenging place. The level of education has also changed, I think. 10th tak it was quite basic, quite familiar kind of a setup, and then suddenly I'm put in a setup which I'm unfamiliar with, coping up with everything, having a syllabus to complete, a lot of load, balancing my boards, balancing my entrances.
Yeah.
I think it really was the first challenging step, I would say. Mentally, I was really drained at that time, and I had a very little space to even acknowledge. I'll be very honest with this thing. I was not able to understand what is happening with me, first thing. I think talking to my parents helped a lot
Okay.
on those lines that, I don't know, I'm not able to understand the subject. I don't know what to do with this. I'm completely, I think I'm going to fail in the subject.
Okay.
So this was where I first started realizing what mental health is. And I think as you grow older, you become a little more mature, you get a little
Yes.
understanding, you read through things, you understand people's point of view, perspectives, what people do. आई मीन उस टाइम पे ऐसा भी होता था कि मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात करना, सोल्यूशंस देने के लिए भी कोई नहीं था.
There is not a proper tag mental health.
Exactly.
I just don't feel okay.
It's just I don't feel okay. It's just stress, you're just overstressed about something.
Yeah.
It's okay, it will take time and it will be done. But no concrete solutions as to how do I take this ahead. How do I make myself understand that okay, it's okay to be stressed, it's okay to be going through something for a period of time, and it will eventually get better, and what are the ways of getting better. So I think 11th and 12th was our first blow. Post that, switching to a new city.
Okay.
I am originally from Nagpur, and switching to a new city was quite traumatic for me as well. I mean, leaving your parents and coming to a new city, adjusting to everything on your own, getting accustomed to your things. So I think a few months I was coping up with a lot of things, doing everything on your own. So that was another thing. And right now, I think because I've grown up so much now with my age and everything, now I know and I understand. Even when I look at a student, I know this student might be under stress with something or the other. Right now, people are a little more expressive than it was during my time, I feel.
Got it.
So surely, I think couple of hits in my life has triggered and made me understand and realize what stress and how do we actually deal with it.
Right. How did you come up to the solution that okay, I am having this problem
Yeah.
and I want to find a solution to this? Firstly, you said that when you were you were in 10th,
Right.
11th, 12th, you did not know I had some
Sure.
mental issue going on.
Right.
So acknowledging that,
Yes.
understanding that what solution I should get for that.
Sure.
And right now as well when you shifted to a new city.
Right.
So how did you come up to this solution?
I think in a lot of ways I had my parents making me understand it's okay. It's okay if you are not able to do something right
To
now.
calm you down.
To calm you down. That's okay. That's okay. They were very encouraging at times. They were not like कि कैसे नहीं हो रहा है तुझसे अगर बाकी लोग कर पा रहे
Got it.
why is it that you are not able
That
to
is
do it?
important.
That is important. They had my back every single time, and that is one thing. Talking to my sibling, she's way younger than me for sure, but I think when we started matching our age, and she started getting a little with my age and my understanding, I think talking to her helped a lot. Also, the access to internet, reading about things, just
Okay.
googling things, and some ways or the other, I think looking at articles, looking at movies, looking at how people deal with this. A few concrete solutions like meditating helps you a lot. Grounding practices as well. I got introduced to grounding practices just when I started reading about it more, and it was especially during the COVID times when everything
Oh.
was haywire. This is the time when I got introduced to grounding practices and how it really helps. So
Okay.
I think these are the few ways which has kept me on my track and had my sanity alive so far.
Okay. You said that internet helps
Sure.
you a lot.
Yes.
But I feel that because you have so much access to the internet, you have so many things to look into that you don't know which particular thing you should follow. There are multiple things.
Sure.
You cannot pick just one thing because your mind is very confused.
Right.
That might trigger your mental health even more. So I want, like, I want to understand what is this new perspective of having a good side of internet on your mental health, because constantly there is
Yes.
comparison. Constantly people are saying you do this, you do that, you don't eat this, you don't do this, you talk to your parents, you don't talk to your parents, bad parenting or bad surrounding and everything. So constantly there is negativity as well as there's a lot of confusion. So I want to know exactly in detail that how internet actually helped you.
Internet actually helped me in a way where, of course, even if I pick up Google right now and just say, help me with ways of working on my mental health, or I just give him an exact condition of what I am going through, there will be 10 websites shown to me, and every website will have some of the other information. Some might say, as you say, in a positive direction or in a negative direction, both
Yeah.
at our disposal. I think what helped me was trying out a few things on my own. So, what really helped me was meditating, because I know meditation helps in either ways, whether it's my mental health or otherwise as well. Meditation will always be a positive thing for me. So, that a lot of websites said talking to your parents help. And I have experienced it myself even without looking at the internet. So I was very sure that yes, there would be this will definitely work.
Yeah.
Talking to your near ones, not just your parents but your friends. There are some things you might not open up to your parents but to your friends.
Yes.
Or your closer siblings or somewhere or the other. Um, also, I think with internet, if you say, there are a lot of things on the internet today, with podcasts, with other people sharing their view, their struggles, their stories. Also, some of the other ways, the articles that show surveys of how people have been taking up mental stress, how India have been coping up with it, how people of teenage, especially the IIT JEE aspirants who just have 2 years of time to prepare for such a huge leap, right,
Yeah.
of their life, and it's going to change their life for the goods. Whether it is going to be a good one or a bad one depends everything on that entrance and how they're going to cope up with that. So I think a lot of places on the internet where things have worked out for people, looking at listening to people who are there, only promoting for mental health. There are few people who do that, some celebrities, some people who actually work in the course of
Yes.
just for having people talk about mental health and how they really cope up. There are a lot of stuff on the YouTube, on that portals as well, where you can really go and search and look. Also, I think article based, because I'm somebody who really believes in data, and I would really want to look at the survey, what people have to say and what people are really doing right now. And also, I think it is trend wise.
Yeah.
My trend was a little different than today's trend. Today's people detoxing is a different meaning altogether. So I think with generation it keeps on changing. And if you look at internet, it's a great source today. It just have to be, internet has to look in the good picture, on the brighter side of it.
Right.
Yes. that
So
much.
you talked about generation right now.
Sure.
We'll quickly shift to how do you think that your generation, when you first encountered mental health and importance of everything, as compared to today's generation,
Yeah.
what is the major difference between your generation and today's generation about mental health?
Now I would, this is a little tricky. I'll tell you why it is tricky. Because we were a generation, we had a very little access to internet initially. And today's generation is all about internet. I feel everything you are stuck somewhere, you go to internet. You want a solution for something, you go to internet. You want to look up for something, you go to internet. Everything. I want to look up a new song, a new trend, an answer for my question. Everything goes on the internet. Where we, as a generation, we were more dependent on the book kind of a resources, our teachers, and everything. I mean, there's no harm in looking at the internet. I would say times have changed, and you need to change according to times as well. Mm, there's no harm in approaching something this way. But if you see, times have really changed for sure. Earlier, we used to be little less dependent on the internet. Today's generation is all about internet, and I think they have found their ways of having their own entertainment on internet as well.
Yes.
There are multiple ways. We used to play a lot We used to detox a lot on
Yeah.
the ground, on the field, chatting with friends, sitting just at one place and just chatting, having a good time with friends. Today it is more on the internet, having
phone,
more through phone,
some digital platform.
some digital platform. It's more on that. People express themselves more. I think today's generation express themselves more. They know how to express themselves. They don't like it.
Yeah.
They'll say outright, I'm sorry. And people who were of my generation, they will be in a way shy away a bit from expressing themselves. But today's generation, they can speak everything. They're not camera shy
Yeah.
as we used to be, a little bit of camera shy. Okay, if I'm recording something, I wouldn't be very open to a camera. Today's generation is very open to camera. It's a good thing, actually.
Yeah.
It's a good thing, and nothing.
confident.
They're confident. Nothing in the negative light, but they're confident.
Yes.
They're okay with taking up things. They're okay with expressing themselves, and I think that also helps in a bit way. That it is at least you're expressive. Our generation was not. Even if we're going through a mental stress or some kind of trauma, we wouldn't come out and speak about it.
Yes.
We will say कि मुझे ही हो रहा है ना, बाकियों को तो नहीं हो रहा है. So I'm not comfortable talking. People might call me dumb. People might call me, you know, you are the one who's feeling it. I am not. In certain kind of tags, people don't like, you know, having it with them. So in a way, I think this is a difference between what generation today is and what it was.
They are more
Well aware, they're more well aware, they're self-conscious. I think we were also self-conscious, but to ourselves, we will keep it in our walls and our boundaries. These people are expressive, these people as in the generation of today.
And today's kids, like when they are in 11th, 12th, or maybe younger, they're very young to understand what is happening to them.
Sure.
So before it's too late, how are they supposed to identify that something is wrong with me? And probably I need, it can be that maybe I'll talk to someone, I'll be fine. But if it's a major thing, then I have to, maybe look for a consultancy or something. So, what what are the symptoms, I would say, or the signs that your body is probably giving, or is your body trying to tell you something and you're just ignoring it? Ki no, I'll just work on it, or I'll just eat, or I'll do anything else, and it will be okay.
I think your body will start giving you signs like mental fatigue. You're sleeping, you're eating, but you're still not okay about it. You will feel that you're not energetic anymore. You are thinking a lot about one thing.
Yeah.
You're trying your best. You're trying every single thing that you wanted to do, but you're still not able to do it. And these things will start triggering your confidence, your way of looking at things, your what do we say? The overall personality will start drifting away. And this is where you need to understand I was not this person. How I was earlier. I wouldn't say everyone is jolly and everything, but even if you're kind of a serious person, but you're still not able to hold yourself well. And this is where I think you need to start acknowledging and having a self-awareness. Okay, I am not able to cope up with this. There's something wrong with me. Maybe I need to seek answers first, whether I'm really thinking right or not. Because sometimes it's actually just a thing of ठीक है यार, I mean, let it go, it's okay, हो जाएगा. But some things are very important. For example, if I say I am struggling with a particular subject, right? If one of my student is struggling with a subject, he's trying his best. Teachers have given him solution, his friends have given him solution, he's trying and trying. Months of him trying, still not able to do it. There's something wrong. There's something wrong. And interim, when he was trying, he is losing his confidence like anything. Maybe he's not able to cope up with it. And where does he go for his problem? Now it is the time that he needs to understand that maybe even after trying out so many things that have been advised, I have everyone's support. My family is ready to support me. My friends understand what I'm going through, but I'm not able to come out of it. I think it's time to seek professional help.
Good.
And having a professional help does not mean you are undergoing a mental disorder. That does not mean that. I think it's the greatest thing that we really don't acknowledge.
Yeah.
Having a problem and talking to a counselor does not make you mad.
Yeah.
People actually started, having people, ये तो पागल है. I
Right.
mean, पागल is such a huge thing.
Yeah.
It's a disorder,
Like
okay?
तू mad है.
Exactly, you're
मतलब तू
mad.
कुछ अलग planet से.
Exactly. How is it that तुझे नहीं आ रहा है? तुझे नहीं जमना, it's okay यार. I mean, big deal that's not able to do it. That's fine. So I think having or seeking professional help does not harm. In fact, what we normal people cannot do, the professionals can.
Absolutely.
What we are not able to see through, they definitely can see through, and they can help in a lot of ways. And it's okay to talk about it openly as well, that I am going through sessions, I am going through counseling, I am taking mental health kind of a treatment you may want to call, or you may want to call counseling is a better way of putting it. Or even if it is medicine triggered, it's okay. To calm yourself, there are medicines or sedatives, if I have to call it that way, just calms your brain. And it's okay, because what students don't realize at this age is your mental health is triggering your physical health. They completely ignore this.
And also your future.
And your
Because
future.
You keep on hiding those things, and then somewhere after 10 years or something it triggers, and you're like, why am I reacting like this?
Exactly.
But it was building up.
It was building up. And then past so many years, when you look back, you see, I was not able to do this small thing, but you don't realize that I was really not able to do this. And also people say na कि it's okay यार, it's just a phase of life, हो जाएगा, but नहीं हो रहा है ना, नहीं हो रहा है, that's the problem. So seeking a professional help is not at all going to harm. I think it's good, it's for the better good that you identify it at the earliest and then take help, so that you are not losing out on your physical health as well. A physically fit body will dwell a mentally healthy mind.
Yes.
If this is not in place, this also will wean off very, very soon.
Definitely.
And you can see a person who's not keeping mentally well will start losing out on his physical health as well.
Absolutely.
He will not be able to cope up with that as well. Losing on both will eventually result in something very dreadful.
You talked about counseling right now. You think that foundation classes or schools, colleges, everyone should mandatorily have like a counselor? Because many schools have
it, yes.
But it's not a compulsion.
No.
Do you think this should be made compulsory everywhere you go, even in offices? Like in big offices, big schools, it is there. But even on the smaller scale, it should be there. Because mental health is not a privilege that only rich people should get.
Yes.
It's for everyone. So, what is your take on that?
I think you got a really good point with having a counselor at every level of a person has to go through. Most schools have it, but again, like you said, it's not a mandate to have a school counselor at every level. I think we must have a school counselor at every level, because other than what we go through, there are other issues, not just your studies.
Absolutely.
Infatuation, having getting introduced to new worlds, trying out new things. The world is of social media today. So many trends going on. Are we losing out on something? There are a lot of people, how the Gen Z is called, the FOMO, the fear of missing out kind of a perspective. अरे यार उसने कर लिया, मुझे भी करना था, उसके पास ये नया चीज आ गया, मुझे भी चाहिए था. A lot of kids fall into this as well. Comparisons, उसके पास है, मेरे पास नहीं, उसके अच्छे मार्क्स है, मुझे नहीं आए, पिछली बार मेरी ज्यादा आए थे, इसके कम आए थे. That kind of comparisons as well. So I think a counselor is required, very much required, not just in schools and colleges, but at every workplace as well, because there are informal spaces required to speak your heart out.
Yes.
Because if there's no solution, it will keep building on, and both levels. I mean, for a student, it will hamper their performance. For an employee, it will hamper their performance. So I think you need that space. Sometimes, very informally, I would want to say, कभी कभार कितना भी बोले, घर वाले भी नहीं समझ पाते. They don't understand the dynamics that we are going through. For them, it is like, ठीक है ना, इतनी बड़ी कौन सी बात है. Exactly.
Can't be understood by someone else's.
मुझे बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है, but उसे नहीं लग रहा है यार. I mean, what do I do? A counselor is a safe space where you can be speaking about something without getting judged.
Yes.
So I think a counselor is very much required at every level, I believe. Yes.
So talking about comparison, I was going to talk about social media.
Yes.
How you see one reel, at the age of 22, I got myself a car, and you are 25, 26, questioning that you're doing a 9 to 5, and you're just not happy with this, and then already you're not feeling okay, you're not feeling good about yourself, and you see something like this on the internet, and you want to just throw your phone.
Sure.
So what is that one advice, I would say, or one thing you can do to stop this thing? Like, stop comparing. Social media is very fake.
Sure, I totally get it.
No one wants to put out their insecurities that, okay, I am having this issue and I'll put it out. And if someone is putting out, that person is literally sitting and crying in corner because everyone on the comments have bullied them like anything.
Yes.
Once when they tried coming out and showing the real side. So it's like everyone is just having a filter. So I want to know how you should be dealing with it, not getting affected by it. That's okay. You got yourself a car. Good for you. I have different plans. I have my different path line.
Sure.
Right. So how do you cope up with that?
This is a personal thing for me actually.
Okay.
I would say because growing up, you see, even my classmates or my college mates have gone their different ways. Somebody
Yeah.
is doing something, I am doing something. Different career paths, different decisions of life. Some have got married, some have not. Even in kids' age, if you say somebody is having a car at 20 or 22,
Yes,
having
yes.
something at their bay, or some people still struggling to meet ends and trying to process their life in a way. I think we need to acknowledge our realities. That this is a real world. Social media can be faked at so many levels, and even if a person tries to show he's very happy with his life, he might not be,
Yes.
and that's completely okay. I think what I follow is off the camera and on the camera. On the camera, I can also dance and I can say I'm very happy. Off the camera, this is my reality. Am I really happy with it? So you need to understand things on the camera and off the camera. And also, if people of this age are really getting affected by how the comparisons are happening at so many levels, you might feel sad. It's okay, acknowledge it. ठीक है, इट्स एन इमोशन. आई माइट बी फीलिंग सैड कि अरे यार उसके पास है, मेरे पास नहीं है, मेरे पास कब होगा, व्हेन इज इट दैट इज गोइंग टू हैपन विद मी एज अ पर्सन. That's okay. It will happen with you at the correct time, with your hard work, with your, it's okay, you have taken another path. Acknowledge it, it's fine. You will be there. But just because a person has got it at some other level or maybe earlier than you, it doesn't mean that you will never have it.
Yes.
And it's okay. Acceptance is
Having
important.
that positive mind.
That positive mind, acceptance is important. Enjoying what you do is also important.
Yes.
It's okay, na, it's fine. I've chosen this path, I enjoy what I do. It's okay. Things will come at a later stage, but it will come to you surely. Work towards it, I would say. Work towards it. Not be jealous or having a comparative mind all the
Yes,
time.
yes.
And switch off from the internet at correct times.
When you are feeling that it's too much,
Just switch off. It's a part of your life, it's not your complete life. I think that is what I follow. This is my mantra. ठीक है, कुछ टाइम स्क्रॉल कर लिया, it's fine.
Yeah.
Part of life, that's all. हो गया, time हो गया, get away. I would rather want to read something because I am somebody who loves reading. I would rather read an article, read news items, see some geopolitical kind of a thing, see what is going on in the world of science. I am somebody who would love reading that. Other than watching something that's happening on the other side of the social media, I've crossed that bridge now.
Yes.
And I think I'm at a much better place. In a way, giving yourself that encouragement, that take this positively. Don't compare yourselves all the time, but take it positively. Okay, it's good that she's got something or he's got something. See, I will also try to get it in the next 5 years.
Yeah.
Let's work on it. Let's work on it.
That's
I think
positive
that's
mindset.
yes, that's the narration. I think that's the affirmation you should give yourself that okay, I'll get it. Let's work on it. Let's work on
Yes.
it. I think that can help. And that's personally that has helped for me as well.
You think Indian society is affecting this, like the pressure?
Yes.
Indian society is building this pressure?
Yes.
How?
Like I said, fresh graduates, okay, from the college. Now everyone has to find their careers. Some might go into something, some might go into something, right? Some might have a good salary in hand, good package, working at a decent company. Some are still trying to find their way, struggling because they have
Yes.
chosen the road not taken. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost is the poem that I always follow. The Road Not Taken. But I think societal pressure है within the family as well and outside the family as well. आस पड़ोस के लोग क्या कहेंगे matters a lot in Indian societies and Indian households. आपके relatives क्या कहेंगे
You
also.
don't take arts. मामा मामी क्या
मामा,
कहेंगे?
अरे साइंस लेना पड़ता है बाबा.
हाँ.
So many options, you know, in science.
You think Indian society is still like this?
In a way,
It is?
in a way,
Okay.
in a way, because बहुत सारे बच्चों के लाइफ डिसीजंस भी आज भी ट्रिगर किए जाते हैं उस चीज से. I won't say everywhere. A lot of it has also worked positively, especially in tier 1, tier 2 cities. I would say things have started falling into place that okay, you choose your own, liking, your own hobbies or anything like that. But there are places where it is still triggered. मेरे बेटे ने साइंस किया था, पता है, ये वाला इंजीनियरिंग किया था, अब भी यही करना. Why? देखो देखो उसको इतना अच्छा जॉब लगा, बट मुझे नहीं पसंद. दैट्स ओके.
Absolutely.
दैट्स नॉट माई कॉलिंग. माई कॉलिंग इज समथिंग एल्स. सो आई थिंक अभी तक वो एक चीज हमारे अंदर पूरी तरीके से इनकल्प हुई ही नहीं है कि इट्स ओके, यू नो,
You
to
think
follow
Western
your.
culture is doing little better in this
I think
perspective than our Indian
yes,
society?
yes. A little unfamous kind of a statement. I don't know whether I should even say this, but I'm still going out loud for this. वहाँ पर any and every profession is looked equally.
Absolutely.
It's not the same in our society,
Absolutely.
unfortunately.
I agree. Yes.
This is a very unfamous thing that I had to say right now. हमारे इसमें ना there's a discrimination, there's a hierarchy
Yes.
of jobs. ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये
जिसमें पैसा है उसमें ही तुम्हें पावर है,
Exactly.
उसमें ही तुम्हें लुकअप करेंगे.
Then there's a government job वाला
Absolutely.
criteria. The
Yes,
sector
yes.
works differently on different levels. वो तो मतलब highly respectable, decent, stable, everything goes with that. So I think थोड़ा सा societal pressure उस वजह से भी बनता है, because we are categorizing things based on that, कि कौन सा वाला job decent है और कौन सा नहीं है, ये भी society decide कर रही है. Where in Western cultures everything is looked the same.
Absolutely.
A person who might be doing just a meager job of being a receptionist or admin is also equally respectable.
Even a nurse is looked in the same way as a doctor.
Exactly. She's looked at as a caregiver, not as a nurse.
Yes.
She's a caregiver. And the term itself has a lot to say. A caregiver, the job of a caregiver is not easy. People don't acknowledge it. People say, doctor के नीचे है ना. See,
That mindset.
that mindset is the blockage. I feel.
If we talk about JEE and NEET aspirants,
Yes.
students
Yes.
in general, specifically if we talk about JEE and NEET aspirants, what is the kind of pressure they deal with?
My God. Fresh out of 10th. अब 10th तक होता है ना कि बेटा 10th में अच्छे परसेंट ले आओ. हाँ, 11th
सब सही
में
है.
सब सही है. ठीक है, ये पहली चीज. यहाँ पे आ जाता है सबसे बड़ा क्या बोलते हैं, सेटबैक. 11th में जाने के बाद सब कुछ नया है. द लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन हैज राइज्ड लाइक एनीथिंग. 10th तक जो पढ़ रहे थे, अब अप्लाई करना है. अब अप्लाई
It's
करना
very
तो आता ही नहीं.
different.
इट्स वेरी
It's
डिफरेंट.
very new to you.
इट्स वेरी न्यू टू यू. हाउ डू यू गेट, मतलब 10th तक मैंने मैथ में बेसिक चीजें सीखी थी, अब बोल रहे अप्लाई करो. अरे बट आता ही नहीं ना. और एक चीज मैं सीखने जाती हूँ, दूसरी चीज आ जाती है.
Right.
बैकलॉग क्लियर हुआ नहीं है पढ़ाई का. न्यू थिंग्स आर कमिंग टू मी ईच डे. हाउ डू आई कोप अप मैन. और उसके साथ मुझे बोर्ड्स का भी एग्जाम लिखना है, मुझे मेरे सबमिशंस भी मैनेज करने हैं, मुझे
There are
मेरी
other relationships you have
Oh
to
my God.
look into, like your relationship with your family, with your
Yes.
partner, with your sister, your friends.
Exactly.
And after everything, you also basically in one day you have to study for 8 hours, you have to sleep for 8 hours, you have to eat good food, you have to meditate, you have to focus on your physical health. You also have to focus on your friends so that they don't feel that you're
Yes.
not caring about them.
You have
to give time to your partner, everything.
Everything under the sun in 24 hours.
Yes.
I mean, what a great challenge for a teenager, you see. And you have to go out with friends.
Multitasking.
Yes.
At its peak.
At its peak. And this is where they lack.
Yeah.
I'm not saying lack as in they're not able to balance this, because in a race of balancing something will be weaned off. If you see people who are hardcore into their studies, who are very, very focused, very, very, determined that, oh no, I have to crack this.
Yes.
They will be losing out on their friends.
Yes.
They will not be
You have to
meeting their
sacrifice
friends.
something.
You have to sacrifice something, right? Some way or the other, this is the struggle that they feel. एक ये हो गया. दूसरा ये हो गया कि अब एनवायरनमेंट नया है, कैसे कोप अप करूं. दोस्त नए हैं, नया इन्फैचुएशन जस्ट चालू ही तो हुआ था, और फिर पढ़ाई आ गई. हर हफ्ते टेस्ट लिखना है, टेस्ट में मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे. हाउ डू आई रियली कोप अप विद दैट. एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक इन बिटवीन ऑल ऑफ दिस मेंटल स्ट्रेस बढ़ते ही जाता है.
Huh.
There's no turning back for
And
them.
I think there is no realization also that you're going through something serious.
Yes, they don't realize
Because
it.
there are multiple things already.
Sure.
So you don't know how to focus. You're just, जो आ रहा है plate पे, I'll just focus on that
Correct.
and move on.
Yes, one day at a time. ठीक है, आज
Go
का
with
दिन
the
खत्म
flow.
हो गया. Yes.
Bas, I
Bas.
just have to make it.
Bas, that's it.
Somehow I just have to reach the finishing point.
May it be sacrificing your own physical health, may it be sacrificing your own mental health, may it be sacrificing your relations which were really fruitful for balancing everything out there.
Yes.
Like you said, sacrifice. They do sacrifice a lot.
Mhm.
People who are really focused that, oh no, may it be whatever it is, I'll crack my thing. In that situation, they will definitely sacrifice on something that's very crucial to them.
Mhm.
It can be their hobbies, it can be their pure time, it can be their family time, it can be their जो आज का generation करता है, the social media.
Yes.
I would say on the other hand, if sacrificing is not taking a toll on them, it's for the better. But if it is taking a toll on them, I think they should start giving themselves the time as well for having some time dedicated only for their hobbies. Even if going out with friends is one of them, it just has to be done in a time stipulated manner. Time management is very, very important for them,
Yeah.
I think.
And also talking about surrounding.
Yeah.
You are very young. You
Right.
think that
Naive.
at that point, whoever is helping you is the right person. But what if that person is actually taking advantage of you? And it actually has a huge impact on your life. It actually gives you a traumatic experience.
Sure.
So, what is that one advice you would want to give to all the students?
I think don't trust anyone blindly. This is what we've been taught since a very young age.
Yeah.
कि don't trust someone really blindly. Take time.
Someone who is giving you chocolates, don't
Don't eat.
don't take it.
This is what we've been told, right? किसी ने
Yeah.
chocolate दिया तो खाना
Yeah,
नहीं है. Don't talk to strangers. Don't engage a lot
Yes,
with strangers. I think however stereotypical it might look, it is for the better good. ज़्यादा engage नहीं करना चाहिए किसी stranger के साथ, because sometimes people can get away very easily, but you may not. You
Yes,
might be still stuck with it, and it will impact you for a really good period of time, especially for 11th or 12th. अगर आपका किसी wrong इंसान के साथ engagement रहने के साथ आपके अगर कुछ months भी चले जाते, it's a huge loss for you.
Yes, absolutely.
How do you
That
cover
person
those?
is going to say, ki, why do you want to do classes? Let's go out, let's bunk.
Yes, let's bunk.
But if you're with the right person, they're going to say, no, you have to do this, even
Exactly.
if it's hard.
Exactly.
They push you hard.
They push you hard. That's the right kind of person. A person who's not taking you off your focus is the right person. Always.
Yes,
I
yes.
think this generation needs
Not
to
making you
understand.
feel bad for taking a difficult choice.
It's okay. I mean, acknowledging their height, weight, their overall personality,
Yes, yes.
accepting them as they are, and not making them do something that they're not originally, and not taking them off their focus. I think that is very, very important, because that is how you identify who a good person for you and who a bad influence could be on you.
Yes.
And they need to wean off from these people, not just in this age, but at every point in time. I think at all the levels of your life, you need to wean off from these kind of people who are taking you off track.
Yes.
And there could be indications also to understand certain kind of anecdotes happening in the life.
How do you deal with studies? Like you enjoy your studies instead of taking pressure and feeling bad and feeling underconfident.
How do you
Deal with studies, like how when you look at your books, you shouldn't feel anxiety or stress. Oh no, I have to study. You should feel excited, like how in Three Idiots Rancho was.
Yes.
He was very passionate about studying. So in JEE and NEET, it's very important that you stick to your studies. But if you take that as a pressure, you won't be able to survive for a
Sure.
longer time.
Sure.
How do you deal with that?
So सबसे पहले तो like you said कि रांचो को बहुत पसंद था जो वो करता था. He was very passionate, and he was not somebody who would just stick to books. He would do something with the
Yes.
actual thing, like experimenting, creating something on his own. This is his passion. This is his genre. I think studies आपको उसी तरह लेना चाहिए. Take it as a challenge. You like it. You want to do it. Stay very true and very passionate towards. बेईमानी नहीं चलेगा.
True.
I would say. Stay very true to what you're doing. You dedicate yourself completely. And time and now, I think with everyone out there who's successful in different different fields, dedication and passion is something that has led them to where they are today. So
Absolutely.
I think passion is something you need to follow. बोर होगा, कोई सब्जेक्ट बोर लगेगा, कोई टॉपिक बोर लगेगा, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, इट्स ओके. एक दूसरा टॉपिक बोर लगना इज वेरी ह्यूमनली, इट्स टोटली
Yeah.
फाइन. बट अगर आप ये कहोगे कि पूरी स्टडीज ही बोरिंग है, देन यू आर नॉट पैशनेट अबाउट इट. यू हैव टू लव व्हाट यू डू एंड क्रिएट. अगर नहीं आ रहा है कोई बात नहीं, एक बार नहीं आया, दूसरी बार नहीं आया, तीसरी बार आएगा. वर्क ऑन इट. एक तरीके से नहीं आ रहा है, दूसरे तरीके से करो, इट विल हेल्प यू. बट डोंट गिव अप ऑन इट. आई थिंक यू नीड टू फॉलो इट डिलिजेंटली, पैशनेटली एंड विद कंसिस्टेंसी. बहुत सारे केसेस में ऐसा होता है ना कि स्पेशली विद IIT JEE काइंड ऑफ सेटअप व्हिच वी टीच, एसेंशियली मैम ये वाला टॉपिक बहुत टफ है, इसके तो क्वेश्चंस ही नहीं आ रहे, क्या करूं, ये वाला करके जाऊं क्या, इतना वाला इजी लग रहा है, इतना कर लेती हूँ ना, बाकी का छोड़ो ना मैम, आ ही नहीं रहा है, क्या कर सकते हैं. बट अगर पेपर में आएगा तो क्या करेगा, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन आया, बेटा पेपर में आएगा तो क्या करोगे, फिर छोड़ दोगे वहां पे भी क्वेश्चन कि नहीं आ रहा था मैम उस टाइम पे भी छोड़ दिया, तो अब क्या करोगे. अब वहां तो नहीं पछता सकते ना.
Yes.
अब तो वो साल तुम्हारे
It's gone.
हाँ हाथ से निकल गए, अब क्या करोगे. तो डू नॉट हैव एनी रिग्रेट्स. मेक श्योर दैट एग्जाम में कोई रिग्रेट ना होने से पहले ही मैं उसके ऊपर काम करूं और वो चीज सॉर्ट आउट करूं. बहुत सारे केसेस में ऐसा भी होता है कि बच्चे पढ़कर बहुत जाते हैं, बट पेपर में इतना नर्वस होते हैं और इतना प्रेशर ले सब भूल जाते हैं, ब्लैंक.
And then because they went blank, they even the panic attack even
Oh
gets
my god,
worse.
oh my god.
You start sweating, you don't know what is happening. That person might feel that I'm about to die.
Yes, you want to run away from that situation like
Yeah.
anything, because you feel failed at that
Yeah.
moment. That's the word I would use, because मैं इतना
Absolutely.
पढ़कर गई थी, मैंने इतनी
You
मेहनत
worked
की
so
थी.
hard.
You worked so hard all through night. शायद बेचारे ने नाइटर मारा होगा, पूरी जान से पढ़कर गया था, बट वो इतना डरा हुआ था. That fear induced stress, and with that stress you forgot everything.
Absolutely.
So that is how you need to be calm. It's okay. इट्स ओके. स्ट्रेस लेने से मुझे ज्यादा तो नहीं आएगा, या मुझे कम तो नहीं
Yes.
आएगा, या पेपर तो नहीं बदल जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई टेल माय किड्स. ओके, इट्स ओके. पढ़ लिया ना तूने, जितना किया उतना याद रख, टेंशन मत ले. तेरे ज्यादा टेंशन लेने से पेपर टफ या इजी तो नहीं आने वाला, अब जो आएगा वो आएगा. ओके, तो तुझे जो आता है, ट्राई योर बेस्ट टू पुट इट आउट ऑन द पेपर. आई थिंक इट विल हेल्प यू.
Yes.
एंड काम योरसेल्फ. इवन ड्यूरिंग द पेपर अगर लगता भी है ना बहुत टफ है, पॉज फॉर अ मिनट, टेक फ्यू डीप ब्रेथ्स,
Leave that question for it.
लीव दैट क्वेश्चन, गो फॉर इट, लुक एट इट अगेन फ्रॉम अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव. ठीक है यार, नहीं आते 4 क्वेश्चन, इट्स ओके, बाकी के 20 आ रहे हैं ना.
हाँ.
Do
Be
it.
confident
बी
about it.
कॉन्फिडेंट.
Don't lose your confidence.
Yes, be
Confidence in
optimistic.
this process.
डोंट बी अ पेसिमिस्टिक कि वो जो हम बोलते हैं ना, क्लासिक एग्जांपल, ग्लास इज हाफ फिल्ड एंड हाफ एम्प्टी. लुक एट द ब्राइटर साइड, इट इज हाफ
Filled.
filled, not
Absolutely.
half empty. So
Yes.
take it as it is.
And what role do parents or teachers play in this to support the students?
A lot. The amount of time that they spend with us and with the parents, I think that's the maximum.
And they also look up to you.
Sure.
That, okay, if
Definitely.
ma'am is saying this, then it is correct. I'll do it even if I'm not agreeing.
यस, क्लास में होता है ना, अगर इफ आई से ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, सबके सब हाँ बहुत बताओ मैम, क्या लिखना है, क्या करना है, कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, बताओ. व्हेन आई से इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एवरीवन विल पे हीड टू इट.
Yeah.
एंड आई वुड आल्सो से कि हम जिस तरीके से नरेट करते हैं ना चीजों को इन दिस एज,
You have a responsibility.
a huge responsibility.
Yeah.
Oh my god, every single time you step into a classroom, you always walk with that responsibilities on your shoulders. You're making their future, you cannot play with it. You cannot
This
be
is the
lenient.
mindset teachers should have. It's not a business.
Not a business. It is you're shaping. The child might not remember me, it's fine. It's fine, it's totally fine. But I know somewhere or the other I've been a part of this journey, and a very important journey of his life.
That is a very important thing teachers
Oh my
should
God.
remember.
Yes.
That
Yes.
because parents are going to do everything possible for their kids because मेरा ही बच्चा है.
मेरा ही बच्चा.
But teachers should also understand that they play very very important role
Very,
in
very
students'
important.
life.
It is like a I always used to say this to my parents as well. अभी जो बोलते थे ना कि एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लेना जरूरी है क्या, मम्मी बहुत जरूरी है. मम्मी बहुत जरूरी है, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, उसका एग्जाम है कल. देखो अगर
I
4
have to be
क्वेश्चंस
with
भी
him.
आई हैव टू बी विद 4 क्वेश्चंस भी और करवा लूँ ना उससे, या थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस दे दूँ ना, आई थिंक काम कर जाएगा. देखना उसके मार्क्स अच्छे आएंगे, और अच्छे आएंगे.
That
मैं
is
बोल
how
रही हूँ ना.
passionate teachers
Yes, yes. You know, unpopular opinion of course, but companies में ना, if an employee is doing something for the profits of the company or bringing some
Yeah.
good opportunities for the company, the company grows. But here, as a teacher in this profession, we are creating the future of this country. बहुत छोटा part है. I think we are working with a quarter of what the entire population
Yes,
of our country is. Very, very small fragment of it. But believe me, it's a huge responsibility. And the minute we lose this responsibility, everything is gone.
Absolutely.
If I am not serious about my students' future, they will never be serious about this.
Absolutely.
So a teacher plays a very, very important role. Also, needless to say, बहुत ज़्यादा time spend करते हैं हमारे साथ.
Absolutely.
सुबह आते हैं, दोपहर तक हमारे साथ होते हैं. They look at us for a very,
Yeah.
big.
They look at you as family, that
Sure.
even if, forget studies, even if I'm having some other personal issue, I know that I can go to my teacher
Yes.
and she will help me, she will understand me. So, as you say, Guru,
Yes.
like how our podcast is, Gupshup with Guru. Guru is someone you look up to.
Yes.
Whatever Guru is saying, you agree to it.
You agree to it. You listen to it. You ये बोल रहे हैं ना तो काम का होगा.
Yes.
ये बोल रहे हैं ना तो कुछ तो मतलब होगा, मेरे लिए अच्छा होगा. That's the trust that a guru carries with
Absolutely.
themselves.
How can parents, I would say parents' trauma can get affected to students, their children, I would say.
Sometimes parents क्या करते हैं कि मैंने नहीं किया तो तू करना चाहिए.
Yes.
मैं नहीं कर पाया था उस टाइम पे because many reasons, resources
And there
नहीं
is
थे.
a emotional
baggage that parents
Yeah.
carry. मैंने नहीं किया
I mean,
यार, तू
it's
try
not
कर.
something they do it on purpose. It happens.
It happens.
And they don't even know that they're going through some mental problem.
No.
Or no, not a mental problem, but I would say like a mental pressure they are going through.
Sure. No, it's not something that they're doing intentionally.
Yes.
It is very pure. I would say.
Absolutely.
अभी इस एज में समझ में आता है, उस एज में थोड़ा बर्डन लगता था ऑफ कोर्स इस चीज को लेकर. हमने नहीं किया बट तू कर ले. हम चाहते हैं, हम नहीं कर पाए, हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं थे. Whatever was the reason, उतना एडवांस नहीं था, कॉलेजेस उतने नहीं थे, money issue, guidance, work pressure, guidance नहीं था, responsibilities, a lot of things on their plate. And I completely sympathize with them and empathize with them as well because उनका challenge ही अलग था.
Yes.
But that pressure, मैंने नहीं किया तू कर ले, तो ये वाला प्रेशर भी थोड़ा सा अनफेयर लगता है. इंटेंशन सही है.
Yes.
The intention can never be wrong with the parents, but थोड़ा सा प्रेशर इस चीज से बन ही जाता है बच्चों पे. दूसरा एक होता है कि मेरे दोस्त के बेटे ने इतने परसेंट लाए थे, सो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग यू ऑल्सो टू समवेयर कम क्लोजर टू दैट. ये थोड़ा सा एक चीज है कि थोड़ा सा बर्डन फील होता है बिकॉज आप एक क्या बोलते हो, थ्रेशोल्ड दे देते हो, इतना आना चाहिए. I think this threshold can be pressurizing for a few kids.
Like Chichore mein, that son.
Chichore. वो तो ऐसा था ना, his parents were all up for it, but he took the pressure. It's vice versa as well. Like you give the example of Chichore. उसने खुद प्रेशर ले लिया था. And in the contrary, कभी कभार पेरेंट्स ही वो प्रेशर डेवलप कर देते हैं बच्चों पे. And I think इस चीज से निकालने वाले भी सबसे ज्यादा पेरेंट्स ही होंगे.
Yes.
क्योंकि हम एज अ टीचर हम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कंप्लीट कर देंगे कि हम तैयारी करवा रहे बच्चों की, वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट टू मेक श्योर ही गेट्स थ्रू इट. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ही हैज टू गो बैक टू हिज हाउस, ही हैज टू फेस हिज पेरेंट्स. Are they ready to are they ready to welcome him with whatever he has got? It's okay. Take it as it is. It works both ways. कुछ पेरेंट्स प्रेशर भी डालेंगे, कुछ पेरेंट्स बहुत वार्म हैंड से एंड वार्म चीज से उसको वेलकम भी करेंगे. इट्स ओके. 2-4% इधर के उधर, दैट्स फाइन, विल वर्क इट आउट, that's totally fine. So a lot of it depends on parents. A lot of it rides on the parents. Correct guidance will give you correct results. A stress or a trauma will only induce more stress and drama in a person's life.
Yes.
And with a very tender age of 11th 12th teenage adolescence, oh my god, as it is, आप कहीं पे भी पढ़ोगे, adolescent is the most critical phase for anyone's life. I remember my adolescent age.
But even for dogs, even for animals.
Oh my god, that age,
वो teenager वाला bracket is very difficult.
Is very difficult.
And it's not because they are doing it on purpose. It's just they are also going through a lot. They don't even know how to acknowledge it.
Exactly. And उसमें भी anger होता है, गुस्सा आ जाता है, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो ये मुझे क्यों बोल रहे हैं, क्यों मुझे सुना रहे, मुझे मेरा ही करना है. That kind of mindset also
Yeah.
means of, but it is their age, so had to be
How
understood.
should students communicate this particular thing that my parents are putting pressure on me? I should talk to them in a way where they would not get offended and they would improve and we could come on a common point. Or maybe my teacher, suppose many times it happens that I'm in school and I did not like a particular subject. My teacher, for some people, when you demotivate the
Huh.
students, it works. But it did not work out for me. I felt very bad. I did not like it. I have trauma with teacher, with that subject, with school altogether. So how do you talk it out to your teacher? Because they have pure intentions.
Right.
It's not like they want you to fail or
Yes.
something. It's just they're pushing you harder. It did not work out for you. You understood. Good. How should you talk about it?
While you were asking this question, a few kids ran through my head who totally will feel the same way as you mentioned. अभी क्या हो गया ना, इस जनरेशन में क्या होता है, स्पेशली टीनेज में, एडोलेसेंस में, you don't want to be directed by somebody.
Yes.
You hate
Yes,
being directed by somebody.
100%.
मैंने बताया, भले ही मेरे intentions are absolutely on point, I need you to be getting the best out of yourself. I hate being directed. I don't like being directed. May it be my parents, may it be teachers. I will take it as an insult. Insult is the word teenagers use. Ma'am ने या sir ने मुझे insult किया. How could they insult me? They take it very personally. So I think it's not an insult. First thing, it's not an insult. It is something said to guide you. Sometimes the narration does not go well with kids.
Yeah.
They find it very demeaning for them. कि उन्होंने मुझे demean किया, उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे ही क्यों बोल दिया, वैसे ही क्यों बोल दिया.
And also, kids nowadays don't tolerate anything.
Oh my god.
Like earlier, like my parents would say that हमें तो scale से मार पड़ती
Oh
थी.
yes.
You do it right now, you'll be in jail.
Yes.
The parents will be filing that complaint even if they went through the same process.
Sure.
Because generation is different.
Yes.
So, and even kids are very bold about whatever they feel.
They were expressive, as I said.
Yeah.
They will speak out loud. Don't find it good. नहीं पसंद आता ये सब.
मतलब they won't say it probably because what if she does not like it? What if my mom does not like it? What if my parents don't like it? But they'll start distancing themselves.
They will start distancing. They will not be interested. They will lose out on the interest.
Yeah.
That is one thing. If it's not even about the subject, sometimes it's about how a person speaks
Tone.
to you. Yes, the tone matters a lot. With this generation, it makes a lot of difference. You correct your tone as a teacher, as a profession, everything will fall into place. As if answering to the question that you asked, कि how do I take it positively, कि किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, the intentions were right at all point. I think this is a life lesson, not just here, but अगर कोई आपको feedback दे रहा है किसी चीज पर, तो you need to take it positively. You need to find what is good for me in this and not always take it negatively. I think we need to make the generation understand that feedback is to work upon, not to take it personally. Feedback is something that you really need to understand. और feedback हर तरह से आएगा. सिर्फ मैं as a teacher आज दूंगी, आप जब प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में जाओगे तब भी आपको फीडबैक मिलेगा फॉर योर वर्क और फॉर समथिंग दैट दे वांट टू मेंट इन यू फॉर योर बेटरमेंट. एंड आई थिंक पेरेंट्स भी देते हैं फॉर्मली इनफॉर्मली. द टोन मैटर्स अ लॉट ऑफ कोर्स. एंड आपने जैसे बोला कि पेरेंट्स से बात करके होगा, क्या होगा, आपको पेरेंट्स को समझाना होगा कि मम्मी आई थिंक मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया, ऐसा नहीं मैंने नहीं किया. टॉक इट आउट. Tell them that what you're struggling through, what you're going through, and they're your parents. They will understand it at the end.
Yes, absolutely.
They are not here to just pressurize you, to torment you, but they will understand it at the end of the day. So I think speaking out helps, and speaking out in the right way helps.
Yes.
Not just throwing things, नहीं कहीं करना जाओ मुझे, अब नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे.
Yelling, screaming.
That doesn't help. Talking, sitting this way like we are sitting, and having a conversation that, see, these are the ways I tried my best. It's not helping. If you have any solutions, please give me.
I mean, in earlier generation, you could scold your kids and they would listen.
Yes.
If you do that right now, they won't listen.
No.
They will feel that you are villain.
They will wean you off.
They will take it in the most negative way.
Yes.
Everything
Sure.
will go on toss.
Definitely.
So you cannot deal with your children or students in the way how your teachers or parents dealt with you.
No, That's not the way. Every lock has a different key, is what I
Yes,
always
yes.
tell myself. हर ताले को एक ही चाबी से खोलने की कोशिश करूंगी, वो कभी नहीं खुलने वाला. Every lock is a different. In fact, every child is different. एक को सिर्फ एक बार बोलने से वो हो जाएगा. There will be few kids जिनको बार बार बोलना पड़ेगा, अलग अलग तरीकों से बोलना पड़ेगा, because a person might not take things as it is. बहुत straight forward तो होता नहीं है. There's no book written जहाँ पे हर एक बच्चे का कोई एक परफॉर्मा है कि ये कर लो तो हो जाएगा. Every kid is different. The emotions that he deals with different. The mindset that he is carrying is different. So I think talking to them at their level helps.
Yes. There is one last question.
Sure,
I want to
please
ask.
go ahead.
So this myth ki JEE is everything this and not nothing, not anything passion driven thing. What is that one message you would want to give that might change this perspective?
I think the last word that you mentioned right now stays everywhere. कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम रहने दो, IIT रहने दो, JEE रहने दो, IIT JEE रहने दो, CAT, NEET,
Anything.
any entrance in this
Government
world,
exam.
कुछ भी रहने दो. Passion is important. Whether you really want to do it. If you want to do it, you will do it no matter what.
Yes.
Time अलग अलग लग सकता है. I completely get that. You need to be passionate first thing. You need to be consistent. Nobody is born a genius. There are very few born prodigies in this world. Nobody is, got an overnight success. They have worked through it.
Yes.
Hard work and consistency is important. Hard work कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ ही चलता है हमेशा. When I say consistency, एक बार नहीं आ रहा है, दूसरी बार ट्राई करो, तीसरी बार ट्राई करो, चौथी बार ट्राई करो, आ जाएगा. Don't give up.
Absolutely.
Have passion in place. If you have passion in place, you will work through it no matter what. मुझे करना है ना, because मुझे चाहिए वो. I want to see myself in this X college, in this X position, somewhere in the future. How do you plan your life? Where do you see 5 years down the line? This is a very famous kind of a statement. Where do you see 5 years down the line? But you're actually giving yourself a direction. Whether I really want to aim for this. If you want to aim for this, where's your passion? Are you passionate? If you're passionate, consistency will follow. If there's consistency and hard work, you will ace it like anything. It will take time, and you need to also acknowledge कि शायद इस बारी में नहीं हुआ, it's okay, अगली बारी होगा, but होगा जरूर. So passion, consistency, hard work, time management, a lot of ways क्लास में कर लेते हैं सॉल्व, लेकिन पेपर के टाइम पे मैम टाइम नहीं मिला. मुझे आता था, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट जस्ट इन IIT JEE's एग्जाम बट एवरीवेयर इन लाइफ. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज a top notch quality and a skill that you must have within yourself. And also I think enjoying the process. If you are passionate, you will enjoy it. Even in your hard work, you will enjoy it. Because when you have actually achieved what you really set for, when you look back, everything fades away. You celebrate your hard work and your success. It is just people of this generation, but any generation that has, set this foot in doing something right.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out your precious time.
Thank you.
I hope everyone has enjoyed this particular podcast.
Yes.
I felt very nice. It was a great experience. It was new perspective about things, and I would love to chat about this even more.
Sure.
Because this is a very interesting topic to talk about.
Sure, definitely.
And I'm sure that even the audience has loved it.
Yes.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you.